Tayong dalawa pa rin, kahit anong dumating. Sa umaga bawat gising, ikaw ang aking kapiling.
Tingnan mo naman ng papa mo kung gaano kagwapo. Oh, di ba? He is so guwapo. So every day I look at him, I fall in love every day, again and again.
Tayong dalawa pa rin.
With hearts full of gratitude and joy, we gather today around the table of the Lord in thanksgiving for the 50 years of blessed and joyous union of Doy and Dek. We thank the Lord for this couple and for all of the years that they have had together. As we celebrate their anniversary, our prayer is that God will continue to bless them. Let their testimony of love and forgiveness be a help to other couples as they start on their own journeys into married life. We pray that the Lord will honor their commitment to each other and grant them many more years of happiness together.
Tayong dalawa pa rin, dumalaw man suliranin, ngiti ay di aalisin.
Siya yung may-ari ng boarding house sa Makati na magaganda. Ay di sabi ko, ligawan ko yung may-ari. Sexy. Kung naka-micro mini.
Ikaw ang aking tanging hiling, puso'y sa'yo pa rin.
As a husband, wala kang mahihiling pa. He's ever faithful, good provider, and good lover. Wala kang hihilingin na. Kaya siguro nag-last kami ng 50 years and more to come. Kahit na siya na dami-daming health issues, dami-daming naging mga sakit, he has always stand up for the family.
Tayong dalawa pa rin, sabay natin.
As a father, he's very dedicated to his children. In fact, he is the role model of my 3 boys and the love of my daughter, na nung ang anak ko ay old enough to get married also, sabi niya, I want someone who is exactly like Papa.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan may ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hakan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya'y ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin.
Simple.
Sabay tayo
Panindigan mo yung ipinangako na for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. Kahit anong unos ang dumaan, basta yan ang nasa isip mo, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng pagtatalo na hindi ninyo masusolve. Kasi yan ang endpoint palagi, to stay together.
Ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok.
The secret formula is my money is fair money. As they say, a happy wife means a happy life.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking
Political for worse,
pangako.
original for poor, in sickness and in health, till death do us part. Walang iwalanan hanggang kamatayan. Sa iyo lamang giliw, ako mababaliw. Pag-ibig ko'y walang mali. Yan po ang sikreto ko.
Buhok ko